Hello student, today I are going to discuss some theorem of permutation. Okay, so first theorem is theorem is out of n factorial permutation on n symbols. Okay, out of n factorial permutation on n symbols. Sn is a set of all n factorial permutation with n symbol, because Sn is a symmetric group and symmetric group contains n symbol which has n factorial permutation. Okay, so theorem says that out of n factorial permutation on n symbols, there are exactly n factorial upon 2 u1 permutation. There are exactly n factorial upon 2 u1 permutation and n factorial upon 2 odd permutation, not less than or greater than equal to n factorial upon 2. Okay, so Sn contains only exactly n factorial upon 2 u1 permutation and n factorial upon 2 odd permutation. How to prove this theorem? Okay, proof of this theorem, let Sn be the set of Sn means set of Sn is symmetric group. Okay, this is symbol of notation of symmetric group. Sn be the set of all n factorial permutation. Sn be the set of all n factorial permutation on n symbols. Okay, Sn be the set of all n factorial permutation on n symbols. Out of this permutation, suppose choose n factorial permutation. Suppose that consider e1, e2 up to so on em. Okay, m are distinct u1 permutation. Out of this n factorial permutation, e1, e2 up to em are m distinct u1 permutation, and o1, o2 up to so on ok are k distinct odd permutation. Means here we suppose that Sn has n factorial permutation, and out of this n factorial permutation, choose suppose that m. Okay, m are 1 to up to m are u1 permutation, and 1 to up to o1, o2 up to k are distinct odd permutation. Okay, and m plus k equal to totally n factorial permutation. Okay, so means k distinct odd permutation, we have m plus k equal to totally n factorial. Suppose this equation is number star. Okay, so let t belongs to Sn b. Suppose that any other permutation, suppose that t okay, t belongs to Sn b any permutation. Okay, b any transposition. T belongs to Sn b transposition, choosing from one transposition of in Sn. Okay, transposition, since this is one transposition means cycle of length is 2. Okay, cycle of length is 2. This is one transposition choosing from Sn. Since Sn is a group with respect to multiplication. Okay, symmetric group is group with respect to multiplication. In previous lecture we also seen that alternative group is a group with respect to multiplication. Subgroup of Sn means with respect to multiplication. Here Sn is a group with respect to multiplication, and t belongs to Sn. This is a one permutation. Okay, and u1, u2 up to em are are even permutation. Then even permutation means U1 U2 up to em are even permutation means there is a length of cycle 2. Okay, number of transposition are U1 number. Okay, therefore U1 U2 up to em are m distinct transposition, and multiplication of this U1 number of transposition and this one is multiply. Okay, this one is multiply this this transposition. Okay, then their multiplication is odd. Okay, this is all. Therefore t into e1, t into e2 up to so on t into em. This is em are odd permutation. Why this is odd permutation? This is are odd permutation. This is all odd permutation. Okay, so why this is all odd permutation? Because e1 e2 up to em, this contains only e1 number of transposition. Okay, this contains only e1 number of transposition, and this one transposition is adding this transposition. Okay, this one transposition is adding this transposition. Then u1 plus 1 equal to odd, and therefore their multiplication means t this one transposition and other are u1 transposition. This is odd number of transposition, and therefore this all odd permutation. Okay, so product of y, product of odd permutation, odd permutation and u1 permutation, product of odd permutation and u1 permutation is odd permutation. Okay, product of u1 permutation and odd permutation is odd permutation. So suppose, and this is all are distinct odd permutation. Okay, if suppose that, okay, suppose that this is not distinct, if suppose t e I equal to, this is not distinct. Why? If this is not distinct, then t e j, and which implies that e I equal to e j, and this is which is not possible by, this is by left cancellation law. Okay, tt one permutation is get cancelled because this is group and left cancellation law hold in this group. Therefore ei equal to ej, which is not possible. Why this is not possible? Because ei are m distinct e1 e2 up to em are m distinct u1 permutation, and here we get a, this is equal permutation means which is e1 and e2 up to em are less than m permutation, so which is not possible. Okay, why this is not possible? Because are m distinct e1 permutation, so this is not possible, which implies that t ei is not equal to t ej, and that is tu1 tu2 up to so on tem are m odd. This is all m odd permutation. This is all m odd permutation, but this is all here to exist here m odd permutation, but in SN there are only k distinct odd permutation. There are only k distinct odd permutation, which implies that why in SN in already choose form k distinct odd permutation, and here also exists m distinct odd permutation. Okay, which implies that this m, okay, this m is must be less equal k. Okay, which implies that this is k distinct odd permutation, this is m odd distinct permutation here exists, which means this means that m is must be less equal this k. Okay, which implies that m is must be less equal k, and this is suppose that equation number 1. Okay, then similarly T O1, similarly T is one transposition and O1, okay, O1 is odd transposition. Okay, odd means your odd number of transposition. Okay, O1 has odd number of transposition, and this is one transposition is added, odd plus C1, odd plus 1 equal to U1. Therefore this transposition are U1 transposition. TO2, TO3 up to so on, TOK are U1 permutation. Okay, TO1, TO2, T up to so on, TOK are U1 permutation, and these are K distinct U1 permutation. But in SN there are only M distinct U1 permutation, and therefore this K is must be less equal M. Okay, therefore this K is must be less equal M. This is equation number 2. Therefore from equation 1 and 2, we say that, therefore from equation 1 and 2, M is less equal K and K is less equal M, which this means that K must be M and KR must be equal. Okay, M and KR must be equal, and therefore from equation star, okay, therefore from equation star equation says that M plus K equal to N factorial. Therefore equation star becomes M plus K equal to N factorial. If we putting M equal to K or K equal to M, then M plus M equal to N factorial, which implies that 2M equal to N factorial, which implies that M equal to N factorial upon 2. And similarly M plus K equal to N factorial. If we putting K plus K equal to N factorial, then 2K equal to N factorial, which implies that K equal to N factorial upon 2. This means that M, okay, U1 up to UM are U1 permutation. This is M distinct U1 permutation, and this M equal to N factorial upon 2, and this O1 O2 up to K are M distinct odd permutation, and this K equal to N factorial upon 2. Okay, which means that M in SN exactly N factorial U1 permutation and exactly N factorial upon 2 odd permutations are exist. Okay, so this is one theorem. Suppose that then next example, suppose prove or disprove set of all odd permutation, prove or disprove set of all odd permutation form a subgroup of order N factorial upon 2. Means to here to show firstly to show in previous lecture set of U1 permutation is subgroup. Here to prove or disprove. Okay, set of odd permutation is subgroup or not. Okay, but set of all odd permutation is not subgroup. Okay, here answer is set of all odd permutation does not set up all odd permutation, does not form a subgroup of, does not form a subgroup of SN because which does not contains identity permutation. Okay, because identity permutation, because identity permutation is not odd permutation, means set of all odd permutation which does not contains identity element. Okay, identity permutation is not odd permutation, therefore set of all odd permutation is set of all odd permutation does not set of all odd permutation is not a subgroup of SN. Okay, this is one definition of this is one result is odd permutation, set of all permutation is not subgroup, set of even permutation is subgroup. Okay, so then some true or false. Okay, some MCQs, true or false. Okay, first is every permutation is one function. Every permutation is one function or not? Every permutation is one function, because every definition says that permutation is bijective. Okay, bijective means one and odd, therefore every permutation is one function. This is true. Then second, every one function is permutation. Every one function is permutation. This is not possible, so this is false. Okay, so then next is every function form of finite set. Then third is symmetric group S3 is cyclic. Symmetric group S3 is cyclic or not. How to prove this is cyclic or not? How to prove this is cyclic or not? Okay, here symmetric group S3 contains three factorial permutations, means 6 permutations. Okay, one is identity and other elements which is this is other elements are seen in previous lecture. Okay, so here symmetric group S3 is not cyclic. Okay, because S3 has no generator. S3 has no generator, or other results also use. Then any S3 is, this is not true, means this is false. S3 is not cyclic. Their proof is seen in next lecture. Okay.